Salaries going up, but savings? Still zero. Today, find out why your income is rising, yet your savings are not, and learn 3 simple solutions that can give you financial security. 1. When our salary increases, so does our spending. That's lifestyle inflation. Things we didn't need before now feel like necessities. New phones, frequent restaurants, these habits block your savings. Solution: create a budget. No matter how high your income is, keep your spending under control. 2. Most of us have no financial plan. Where the money will go, how much to save, nothing is pre-decided. As a result, the entire salary gets spent. No savings, no investments. Solution: follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. 3. Saving isn't a habit for many of us. Whatever is left will be saved. That's the wrong idea. You need to save first and spend after. Solution: as soon as your income arrives, set aside a fixed amount. Use automated savings. Which of these problems hits you the most? Comment below. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it. Someone's financial life might change because of this.